For yourself, Irvin Perry.
Yeah, I'm Irvin Perry and from Tuscaloosa, Alabama. And I heard about Bomani surfing the web, and it was really interesting. I saw all those pictures of African people and interviews and music, and I said, wow, this is interesting. So I always wanted to come to Ghana, but all the websites I saw, they were doing tours of Ghana. I don't know. They didn't. It wasn't attractive to me. So I decided to fill out that little form that he had on there, and I sent it in. And I think one of the questions on there was, "Have you ever been to Africa before?" But I had been to Egypt the year before, 2014. So I said yes. He said, "Which country?" I said Egypt. And I think one of the other questions was, how likely are you to make this trip? From 1 to 10, and I think I put 8 down there, and I sent it in, I don't know if he called me that night, or I think he called me the next morning, I believe, and we talked, and I said, yeah, this is it. I just knew right away. Now, it's nothing like I've ever experienced before with the people and the country. I didn't see black people running around with Tarzan like they showed us when I was growing up in Alabama in the 50s and 60s. I'm originally from Marion, Alabama, a part of that great migration that moved to the north in the 50s and 60s. Went up there and retired from that job, and in 1997 I moved back to Tuscaloosa, started working, retired from another job. And yeah,
2 checks.
I don't know. Two checks.
You got 2 checks.
Two checks. No. Well, 2. Okay.
2 and 2.
And so in 1914, I decided it was time for me to start traveling, which I wanted to do. There's some things I needed to see.
But wasn't the war going on in 1914? World War I?
14. I did a couple of years in the military. And fortunately I was drafted. Fortunately I wasn't sent to Vietnam. I spent a couple of years in Germany, but I've always been interested in the motherland. Never thought in a million years that I'd make it. I've come so far. I'm a former cotton picker, been a cotton chopper from Alabama. I'm not ashamed of it. I understand some people are, and I don't know why. It makes no sense to me. That's what we had to do. But I've come a long way, and I'm at a point in my life now where I can do some traveling, meet some really nice people. And this trip, this year and last year, was really, really wonderful. I'm having a great time right now. And for those of you who've never been before, you're not going to realize how much you enjoyed it until you get back home and start thinking about it. You just,
Yeah.
And I'm still in touch with some of the people that I met last year. Pepe and some others. I even went to a birthday party up in Maryland. Pepe. Anybody know Pepe? Yeah, what's her name? I was there.
Yeah.
She did.
Yeah.
I wasn't there, but
Yeah, well, next time. Okay, that's all I have to say. I don't think I've met everybody here. I'm going to try to. If I haven't talked to you yet, I'll get around to you.